back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install my dreads. Now if you are not subscribed to my channel, I ask of you guys before you do anything to please subscribe and make sure you guys like my video and make sure you guys turn on the notifications so you guys know when I upload. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install my dreads. Now a couple months ago I actually decided on doing the big chop, so I cut my hair. I am going on a natural curly hair journey, so I have been using a lot of sulfate, paraben, a lot of natural hair shampoos and all that for my curly hair, and so far it's been doing good. It's been growing. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Now I kind of like, I don't know why, I feel like when I have dreads in my hair grows longer. I don't know. So yeah guys, so I did have dreads like 2 weeks ago, but I decided taking them out because I want to do a fresh new set. So yes guys, I make my own dreads. Now if you guys want to see a video on how I make my dreads, then just tell me on the comments down below and I will get that video out for you guys. But I do want to mention guys, I am not a professional on doing dreads or anything like that. Is there even professionals on doing dreads? Like dreads extensions? I don't know. I have no idea. But yeah guys, so I kind of, you know, do my research, take ideas here and there, and that's how I'm able to make my own dreads. So yeah, so the reason why I took out my dreads is because I wanted to make a new set, and I finally did, and I'm gonna be showing you guys, you know, the dreads that I made. So I do want to mention guys that I had to redo my whole set of dreads. That was because I tried a different method of making dreads and that method was just not working. Literally my dreads were like untwisting, so I had to go back to the crochet method. So yes guys, so my dreads look like shit right now. Don't judge, I redid them. And I'm also going to be installing them today. I'm going to be showing you guys how exactly what I use to install my hair. Anyways guys, enough chit chatting. So I invite you guys to check out this video. Remember to subscribe and let's get on with the tutorial. Well, not really tutorial, I'm just gonna show you guys. So let's just get started. This is my hair a couple of months ago. Now this is my hair now. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see how long it has grown. You guys see this? My hair has grown for some freaking time, like seriously, for some time. So yeah, I had dreads like 2 weeks ago, and then I took out my dreads, and I don't know why I felt my hair longer. So this is how my hair is. So this is how my hair is now guys. Now I do have curly hair. I am not using heat products or anything like that because I'm trying to, you know, actually, you know, have healthier hair. I don't want to be using chemicals or heat or anything like that. So that's why my hair looks like this. Now the only thing that I have, you know, was 2 little French braids, if that's what you call it, and that's why my hair looks kind of straight. I'm gonna be showing you guys my dreads. Now I actually buy my hair on, I have 2 websites that I go to. I actually get my hair, I believe it's doe colored hair, doe colored dreadlocks, I'm not really sure. I buy my hair off of there. It's like $2 something a pack, but since I have Amazon Prime and I get my things 2 days like later, I order from there. So right now I ordered this one right here. You guys could see this. I try to find something that kind of matched my hair to make it look more natural. You know, I didn't want to do no pinks or anything like that because I want my hair to look natural, like, you know, to make it look natural. So this is the one that I got closest to it, which is this right here. Now this is called Canicola. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna put the name here. Hair. So this is braiding hair, and this is what I bought. Now the one that I bought was 5 packets for like $24, but I paid like extra so I could get it like the next day. These are the ones that I made right here, like this. Usually the way I do it, I do the crochet method, which is a little bit more harder. Well, not harder, it's a little bit more work, but this time I decided on just, you know, twisting them and just, you know, like using the iron and all that, guys, I will make a video. If you guys want to see a video on how I make dreads, just make sure you guys leave that in the comments down below, because it's a lot of explaining. So yeah, so the ones that are made are these right here, and these are actually, I think there's like 25 of these, I believe. So yeah, guys, and these are the same ones as the other ones. They go from dark to like brown and then like blonde. I tried toning this, but it didn't work. Toning this with purple shampoo and it didn't work. So this is how they look like. Now I used in total, I used three, I believe it was 3 packets. Yes, I used 3 packets to make all these right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna be installing these today's. So what I use to install this is, I'm gonna be using, you guys could use one of these right here. This is what I use this. Now this right here, I just recently got it. I checked this. I found this, so I got it, this right here, and I'm just using this to be able to pull the hair through. And I'm also gonna be using, I recently purchased, where is it? Then I'm gonna be using these. These are the best hair bands that I could, seriously, best thing ever. This right here. These you could find them at Walmart for 97 cents. And this is a super stretch, soft and springly rubber bands. Will not break your hair. So these right here, and you could find these on the section where they sell, you know, do-rags. They sell, you know, like a lot of like curly hair products. That I'm gonna be using is these right here, these clips. And then last time I did not use nothing on my hair, meaning like no gels, no pomades, nothing. And the other thing that I bought is this right here, which is the cream of nature with argan oil. Perfect edges, perfect hold. Like this is how it looks like. I know it looks like gel, but it's not gel. It's really not gel. So I'm gonna be using this just to kind of, you know, not have my hair so frizzy when installing these. I want to make sure that both sides will have the same amount. If not, I have to do more, but I honestly don't want to do more. Now let me tell you guys, I have thought about, because to be honest, I get a lot of compliments. I honestly thought I was gonna get like rude ass compliments, like rude ass fucking comments, you know, because I have dreads, and you guys know about the whole issue with people of not being a certain color wearing dreads. So I thought I was gonna get like hate and all this, but honestly I didn't. I've gotten so many freaking compliments, you guys have no idea, of people that like my hair. So now I'm gonna start out by parting my hair. You just want to part your hair. Let me fix this right here. You want to part your hair. This is what I have right here. This. So now I'm just gonna hold on to this piece right here. Hold on to it. Really hold on to it really tight, because I don't want no hair coming out this way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out by the bottom. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, because of course you're not gonna get it as perfect as somebody else doing your hair. So I'm just gonna kind of like más o menos, you know, tantearle, like you kind of wanna like see where you're gonna be putting these dreads in. So I'm gonna be just, you know, just with my fingers like this. It doesn't even have to be perfect, to be honest. It doesn't have to be perfect, because you guys know dreads are meant to be like not perfect. Okay, so that's my first one right here. So I'm just gonna be grabbing this down like this, and I'm gonna be taking this right here. Now this, I just don't like the smell. To be honest, I don't like the smell. It smells like jabón, like soap. But yeah. So I'm just putting that, kind of, you know, like twisting my hair. Just twisting it like this. Putting it like this. Now, I'm gonna be putting my hair through here. Let's see how this works, because this is the first time that I use this. First time that I use this little thing. So I'm just gonna be there, pulling that in there. You guys could see this. Now, doing this, I like to kind of braid this, like braid it. A lot of people do it a different way. I do it way different. Like, I do it the way that best works for me, which is just braiding the hair. Just braid it in like this. And then whatever little hair I have left that I can braid, I just kind of just put it around the hair and just twist it like this. And then get my rubber band and put it right here. Now let me tell you guys, this is such an easy hairstyle. Like, it's really easy. I would really suggest, if you are a person that's trying to grow your hair out, you know, that you recently did like a big chop and you don't like your short hair and you're down to try new shit, then definitely try out dreadlocks. Trust me, they are gonna really help you with your hair. Now if you guys see this little hair right here, I'm just gonna kind of like push that down. I'm gonna add another rubber band, and I'm just gonna, as I'm twisting it, I'm just going to be going down slowly like this. So you guys are just gonna be seeing like excess. It's gonna look like excess on my hair, like that. There you go. That's how it goes. That's how it is. Okay guys, so this is my hair right after I installed it. I didn't end up using all the hair that I made, all the dreads. I believe I have 24. I have 24 dreads all together. I didn't end up using the other ones that I had because I don't remember how much I made. I think I made like 26. So yeah, so I didn't end up using the whole set that I made. So this is how the hair looks like, and it's a big difference, guys. Like it's crazy how dreads could literally like could change like a whole appearance, you know, because my hair's really short. You guys saw how it was, and now it looks super different. Now these are ombre, and these are I don't even know how long these are, like 22. Oh, I want to say 22. Yeah, so this is how they look like. So if you guys are up to try new things, definitely I will say definitely get dreads. It's so easy to make them yourself. You just gotta take that how can I say, you just gotta take, you know, the opportunity to try new things. Dreads are not for everybody. Not a lot of people, I mean, I don't want to say, you know, not a lot of people can rock them. It's not even that. It's just that, you know, a lot of people are afraid to try new things. They feel that oh, you know, that they're not, you know, they're not able to rock them because they're a certain color or whatever. But you know what, you just gotta try it out one time and that's it. So yeah guys, for me this is the most easiest freaking hairstyle. It's definitely helped me with the growth of my hair. And as you guys could see right now, I did use this right here, the Argan Oil by Cream of Nature, to actually you know, just kind of like pull down, kind of, you know, like squish my little frizz and all that. So yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how my hair looks like in a couple of weeks, so you guys could see how crazy it grows. But yeah, for right now, you know, there's like you know, they're tight, they're not loose or anything. Once they start getting loose, that's when you know it's time for you to tighten them back up. But yeah guys, so this is how it looks like, and I'm excited. I'm seriously happy. I put them back on. I'm like happy, seriously. But yeah, anyways guys, so I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Also, if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to do your own dreads, then leave that on the comment section. Okay, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.